What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today I made a discovery, and I don't know how long this has been around, but I just figured it out today, and Photopea actually has plugins. So if you don't know what plugins are, I'll have to show you because I don't know how to explain it. So let's go. All right, so once you're on Photopea's website, you want to go here to templates, and up here you'll see there's a bunch of different tabs, which I might look into later, but for now we're going to focus on the plugins tab. Click on that. You'll see there's a bunch of options, right? People have made these, and so yeah, I found this and I was like, okay, this is cool. The one I tried was Color Theater, so go ahead and click on that, and right here it'll say install, but for me it says uninstall, so let's go ahead and click on that. Now you can just exit out of this and make your own project. I'm going to open it from computer. So I chose this picture here of a Lamborghini, and I was like, where is the plugin? Like, I just could not find it, but it's actually right over here. So click on that, and there's going to be a bunch of different tabs. It might be on CSS, and you'll have to click on that correct one. So here we are. You can see a preview of your picture here, and down here is kind of for people that know what they're doing. Like, I don't understand what this is. So I know what this one does. This is a vignette. It basically adds a darker black circle around your image. So if you type in 50 opacity or whatever opacity you want and hit apply, you'll see it adds it to your image. But what the cool thing about this is if you scroll up, you can see use preset. If you click on this, there's a bunch of different presets. So you can like try some and see a preview of it and just experiment. See which one looks good for what you're going for. That one's kind of cool. I like this one. We'll do Vivid Vision. So go ahead and hit finish, and it'll apply it. So it's kind of cool. I found that plugin like just now, and I thought I should make a video on this. But let's go ahead and check out some other plugins. So I found this one called Clouds Generator, and I think this would be super handy because you can use it as fog or smoke, whatever you want. So if we click on that box, this is a preview of what it looks like. And it looks like you could just type in some random numbers, right? And just adjust what your cloud looks like, which is insanely useful because you don't have to find these images online, which usually aren't PNGs and they're usually low quality. This makes it super easy. So let's see what happens if we click insert to Photopea. Oh, nice. It's already cut out for us. Okay. That's pretty sick. So let's say we want to make this like a fog. You can stretch it out as well. We'll just put it down here. Copy and paste it, right? And turn the opacity down a bit, just to make it look more realistic. Right, that's pretty cool. Now if we combine this with the other plugin, it could look pretty cinematic. And if we add this right here, like 60. Let's even try a different preset. This one's like not that great actually. Ooh. Okay, that's cool. So yeah, these plugins are actually insanely cool, and I don't know how long it's been around for, so I'm sure people are going to make more plugins in the future. But I thought I'd let you guys know because you might find some of them useful. So that's all I got for you guys today. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.